Good morning, students. Our today's topic is nutrition in animals. Animals are classified as first one is herbivores, second one is carnivores, third one is omnivores. First is herbivores. The animals that eat only the plant and plant products. Examples are cows, goat, rabbit, deer, etc. Second is carnivores. The animals that eat only the flesh of other animals. Examples are lion, tigers, and eagles. Third is omnivores. Animals that eat both plant products and flesh of the other animals. Examples humans, bears, crow, rat, etc. The mode of nutrition in herbivorous, carnivorous, or omnivorous animals is called holozoic nutrition. The different steps in the process of holozoic nutrition are ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion. Now, let's discuss about them. Ingestion process. It is a process by which food is taken into the body. In this process, food is taken from outside into inside of body through mouth. Next is digestion process. When we taken the food by ingestion process, this food move toward the digestive system for digestion. In this process, food is breaking down into small pieces by using several substances called them enzymes. Next is absorption process. After digestion of food, the essential nutrients are absorbed by intestine and transported to the various parts of body through circulatory system. Next is assimilation. In this process, body cell used absorb nutrients for our growth, energy, and development. The last process is egestion process. It is a process of removing of undigested food material from body with the help of anus. Amoeba. Amoeba is microorganism which have only single cell in body, so it is unicellular organism. It is found in pond water. It doesn't have fixed shape like other organisms. So it is interesting to know that how it obtain its food. Let's understand. First method is ingestion process. In this method, taking the food particle inside the body is known as ingestion process. Amoeba move continuously. Whenever it senses the food particle, it spread a finger-like structure around the food particle. This structure are called pseudopodia. These are the false fat of amoeba. Amoeba encircle the pseudopodia around a food particle and take it inside the body. We say that amoeba engulf the food, which result in formation of food vacuole which contain food particles. Next is digestion. The cell contain jelly-like liquid known as cytoplasm. From the cytoplasm, digestive enzymes are secreted in food vacuole. These enzymes act on food particles and convert it into the simple substances. The simple substances is diffuses into the cytoplasm. This is called as absorption. The undigested food remain in food vacuole. Next process, assimilation process. The food entering in a cytoplasm is used for energy, growth, for maintenance and for multiplication of amoeba. This is called as assimilation process. The next process is egestion process. The undigested waste food is taken near the cell membrane and thrown outside the cell by cutting the membrane. This is called as egestion process. Alimentary canal start from mouth and end with anus. Digestive gland. Digestive gland include salivary glands, liver and pancreas. Mouth. In mouth, large food broken down into small particles with the help of teeth. Saliva secreted by salivary glands. Salivary glands wet the food so it can easily pass into the alimentary canal. Saliva contain enzymes like salivary amylase that broken down starch into simple sugar maltose. In such a way, this digestion start in a mouth itself. Stomach. The rhythmic contraction and relaxation of muscles is known as peristalsis. Food move forward with the help of esophagus. Food move to stomach. Stomach is present at left side of abdomen and gastric glands present in the wall of stomach. Stomach is J-shaped structure and the gastric glands secretes three juices: hydrochloric acid, pepsin and mucus. In the acidic medium provided by hydrochloric acid, pepsin digest protein and mucus protect inner part, means inner lining of stomach from the acid. From stomach, food is moved toward the small intestine. Small intestine. Largest gland. Liver secretes bile juice, which is stored in gallbladder. Gallbladder secretes bile juice in small intestine. Pancreas secrete pancreatic juice in small intestine. Finger-like structure present called villi. Small intestine is long coiled structure. Length is about 5 to 6 meter. In it, carbohydrates, fats, proteins are digested. Gallbladder, with the help of bile juice, creates alkaline medium in small intestine. Also break big size food particles into smaller ones. And pancreas secretes pancreatic juice. Here, the digestion of carbohydrates, proteins, fats occur. Then, villi absorbs the food and carried to the other part of body by blood. In small intestine, unabsorbed food move toward the large intestine. Large intestine. Unabsorbed food move toward the large intestine. It is about 1.5 meter long. Completely digested food move toward large intestine. Walls of large intestine have villi-like structure. It looks like a finger shape. Villi absorbs water and salt from digested food, and waste material is removed from body through anus. Mouth, esophagus, liver, stomach, large intestine, small intestine and anus, all these are parts of digestive system. Cows, buffaloes, horses, deers are grass-eating animals called ruminants. These animals swallow the grass quickly and store in sac-like structure called rumen. Stomach have specific structure. It is used to store half-chewed food. This is called rumen. The stomach of ruminants has four chambers: rumen, reticulum, omasum and abomasum.